Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of EDU PICO series. In this part, we will perform basic data logging on the Raspberry Pi Pico W local storage. We will learn how to use CircuitPython to read the Raspberry Pi Pico W internal temperature data and write it to a file on the CircuitPython drive. This will enable you to create your own temperature data logger. To start, create a new Python script named boot.py and type in this code. Save the script in your CircuitPython drive. Flip the switch of log data to PICO's flash to enable. Note here the CircuitPython drive will become non-writable when data logging mode is enabled. This means you won't be able to save, create a new file, or delete the files in the CircuitPython drive. Restart your EDU PICO by pressing the reset button. The boot out file will appear in the CircuitPy drive. You will see boot.py output inside the text file. To start the data logging, write this code and run the code. The Pico will record one temperature data point every 1 second. After resetting the EDU Pico, a file named temperature will appear in the CircuitPython drive. Open the file with Excel. Line 3 to 4 initialize a digital output pin connected to the onboard LED of the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Line 6 to 7 set up the file name for the temperature log and define the maximum file size in bytes. The Raspberry Pi Pico W has a limited onboard storage. Setting the 400 kilobyte limit will ensure the data logging doesn't exceed 400 kilobytes. Line 9 to 10, open the file in append mode and enter a loop for continuous logging. Line 11 to 12, check if the current file size is below the specified maximum size. Line 13 to 15, if the file size within the limit, it reads the CPU temperature, writes it to the CSV file, and flushes the file to ensure data is written immediately. Line 16 toggles the state of the inboard LED, providing a visual indication that data is being logged. Line 17 introduces a 1 second delay between temperature readings to control the logging frequency. Line 18 to 19, if the file size exceeds the limit, the LED is turned on continuously, indicating that logging is temporarily disabled due to the file size limit being reached. Congratulations on completing the final chapter of EDU PICO series. We hope you enjoyed this series and feel inspired to keep learning and exploring. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until we meet again, keep learning and happy making.